Folded fox fun. Make an origami animal. You'll need origami paper or any thin paper cut into a square, and a marker. Step 1. Place the paper with the color side down, if your paper is colored on one side. Step 2. Fold the left corner to the right corner. Open the paper and fold the bottom corner to the top corner. Step 3. Fold the bottom points up to the top point. Step 4. Fold the left side behind the right. Rotate so the flaps are at the top right corner. Step 5. Open the top flap over to the left to make the fox's head. Step 6. Stick your pointer finger into the middle flap to open it. Step 7. Press your finger down to flatten the opening. This is the fox's nose. Step 8. Fold the left corner in to make the tail. Step 9. Draw on a cute fox face. Make a fox family and give them names. Have fun!